All right, and here we are again, everybody, back for some more mathematical fun. Here's a question from Unit 2. This says, we want to find volume that involves conversion of U.S. customary units. So Omar has a fish aquarium. It's 6 feet long, 4 feet wide, 3 feet deep. He wants to raise fish and sell them to a local pet store. He has to make sure that he has enough cubic inches per fish so that he can maximize the number of fish that he wants to raise. All right, so the first question is, what is the volume of the water in cubic inches? All right, the easiest way to do this question is to begin by converting the feet to inches. Okay, so let's scroll back this way. And we have volume as length times width times height. So the length in feet is 6 feet. The width in feet is 4 feet. You can see I have feet up here at the top. All right, so that's the feet. All right, and the height or the depth is 3 feet. All right, there are inches per feet. That is our conversion unit or ratio. And that is there are 12 inches per 1 foot. So how many inches are there in 6 feet? All right, all I'm going to do here, everybody, is use Excel to multiply B2. Watch, highlight it. The blue, B2 times B3. I've calculated this to be 72 inches. Same thing, 48 inches is 4 times 12. You can click on this formula and see the cells are highlighted. All right, and again, it is 3 times 12, which clicking on the cells is B4 times C4. All right, now the formula is length times width times height, so I just simply multiply those three together. 72 times 48 times 36, and notice that I'm using the cells, not the numbers, so I can come back and change them later, right? All right, so hit enter here, and it tells me I have 124,416, right? 416 cubic inches of water. All right. Now, it says here, the fish that he plans to raise require 1,150 cubic inches per fish. So I just simply typed in 1,150. Now I'm looking for the number of fish. Well, he has 124,000 cubic inches. He can have 1,150 cubic inches per fish. So I divided D5 by D7, and that tells me he can raise 108 fish maximum, okay, in that particular tank. Now it says he is going to receive $2.79 per fish. So here's my price per fish, $2.79. How much will he collect? I simply multiplied the number of fish he could raise times the price per fish he would receive, and Omar would receive $301.84 for his 108 fish that he raised in his 124,416 cubic inch aquarium. And that is the end of this question, everybody. Now, just note here, right? Cool thing. What is it? What do you mean? Well, I could come back here and I could change my numbers. I could say this was 7. And notice everything updates automatically, right? I could say, well, this is 4.5 feet wide. All right. Everything updates automatically. So I could use this question, whether it was in the homework, I could use it on the quiz. I don't have to keep going back and doing the formulas again and again in a calculator, maybe making an error or something. From here on out, since I use the cell references, all I have to do is to change the values, the initial values, which are the 6, 4, and 3, and that came from my question in the paragraph in my question. And let's go ahead and save this while we're here, everybody. And we are all done. All right, fantastic. Thank you, guys. I'll post this and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.